Hello dear students. Today we are going to study about the chapter the sentence. Read these sentences. My uncle is an engineer. The boy with the ball in his hand. Give me that book. The fruits in the basket. The little boy sat in a corner. Boy, school, sit garden. Now, sentence number 1, sentence number 3 and sentence number 5 are giving us a meaningful sentence. But the sentence number 2, the boy with the ball in his hand, the fruits in the basket, and the boy's school set garden are not meaningful. So, sentence is the group of words that makes a complete sense. So, according to this definition, are sentences number 1, sentence number 3 and sentence number 5 are sentences, but sentence number 2, 4 and 6 are not making complete sense, so they are not complete sentence. Something is left. They are just assembling of some words. They have not been assembled properly. So in a sentence there should be proper arranging of the words, subject and the predicate. Now we will start studying more about sentences. Sentences are of 4 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamative sentence. Further, assertive sentence or the declarative sentence has been divided further into 2 types, that is affirmative or positive sentence, or they may talk about the negative words like not or no sentences. They are called the negative sentences. Let's start with assertive sentences. A sentence in the form of statement is called assertive or declarative sentence. Means they are just a simple sentences, not asking any kind of any question, not making any kind of request or making any or giving any kind of order, and also not expressing any feelings, ideas, thoughts, etc. They are just simple sentences. You can see the examples. Ram is a good boy. Sunita goes to school every day. He is going to Delhi today. The old lady walked slowly. So, sentences which are simple statements are called the assertive sentences. A sentence in the form of question is called interrogative sentences. They have question mark in the end and their helping verb is set at the beginning. The subject comes after the helping verb. So, generally in assertive sentences you have read the book, but when you are asking the question it will be have you read the book and the question mark will lie at the end. Was he swimming? In assertive sentence it was like he was swimming. Now it is like why was he swimming? He is asking the question, was he swimming? When did you meet him? It was earlier. When did you met him? You met him. Did you meet Devesh yesterday? You met Devesh yesterday. Next comes our imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are the sentences giving order or making any kind of request. Please bring me a glass of water. Shut the door. Let us go to the river. Send the servant to the market. So, imperative sentence begin with the word like please, or they start with verb. You can see here This sentence is starting with the verb shut, action word, and here also send. It is also an action word. So when any kind of request is made or any kind of order is given, it is called imperative sentence. Next type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means making any kind of expression of joy, sorrow, surprise, etc. It is called exclamatory sentence. For example, what a terrible accident! God save the king! What a beautiful rose! How foolish I have been! They are all expressing any kind of feeling. You can do some exercise. Girl stood on the table. Declarative. How pleasant the weather is! Exclamatory. When are you going to Delhi? Interrogative. Give me some money. Imperative. She is singing a song. Declarative. Open the door. Imperative. Why did you come here? Interrogative. Let him come. Imperative. Imperative sentence can begin with let also. What a view! Exclamatory. Did you meet him? Interrogative. So, with this, we are done with our types of sentences. Next topic is subject and the predicate. How you will identify the subject and predicate in a sentence. First of all, I would like to tell you that a sentence has two parts. The two main parts of the sentence are subject and predicate. The subject of a sentence is a word